Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senior, and today I will teach you how to downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16. Two working methods are listed here. Method 1: Revert iPhone iOS to an older version with iOS Repair Tuner. Open your browser and then go to cocosenior.com. Find iOS Repair Tuner and go to its webpage. Click the download button to download the software. After that, install it on your computer. You should get iTunes on your computer. Well, everything is ready. Open the software. Click iOS Upgrade Downgrade. Choose Downgrade iOS. Go to connect your iOS device to the computer. Tap Trust and then enter the screen passcode. Now click the Next button. OK, your iPhone is successfully detected. The current OS version is displayed here. You can downgrade to this iOS 16 version. Click Download. Alright, the downloading is finished. You should know that the downgrading will delete all your iPhone data. If you are OK, click the Start button and then the OK button. Wow, the downgrade is successful. And your iPhone restarts from the Hello screen. You can set it up step by step. OK, you can tap Settings, tap General, tap About to check the current OS version. Method 2: Restore the previous iOS version to iPhone with iTunes. First of all, go to ipster.me website to download a signed ipster for your iPhone. Choose iPhone. Choose your iPhone model. Click the signed ipster. Click Download. Then get the newest iTunes on your computer and ensure Find My iPhone is disabled on the iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust and then enter the iPhone passcode. Open iTunes. Waiting for iPhone syncing. Click the iPhone icon. Click Summary. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click Restore iPhone button. Choose the downloaded ipster to open. Click Restore to confirm. Now, iTunes is restoring your iPhone iOS to a previous one. Well done, your iPhone restarts from the Hello screen. You can set it up and then further check the iOS version in settings. That's all. Thanks for watching.